Hey guys, how's it going? This is Mike from M&R Automotive. Today we're in a brand new 2024 Ford F-150 Raptor, and we've installed the M&R reverse kit. I want to show you exactly how much light you get with this kit, and we've connected it to an auxiliary switch. This way we'll be able to turn on the reverse and then hit the auxiliary. So let's go ahead and put it in reverse. So notice how much light you get with the factory reverse lighting and compared to the M&R reverse kit. Take a look at all those trees. You can actually see the gate way back there. I'm gonna zoom in and zoom out. With a factory reverse kit, you can't see anything further than those benches. And everything just lights up. And the beauty about it is the fact that it's connected to an auxiliary switch, so you could turn it on without having the reverse lights. Let me jump into the vehicle. I want to show you on camera how much additional light you get. So these are your factory reverse lights, and this is the M&R. You guys are absolutely going to love it. Thank you very much for watching.